Transform your Lovable app creations into real revenue streams and build a thriving app business. Creating an app with Lovable is just the first step. Turning it into a profitable venture requires smart monetization strategies. Let's dive into how you can make money with Lovable apps, starting with the power of in-app purchases. Think virtual goods, premium features, or even cosmetic upgrades. Lovable allows you to seamlessly integrate these purchase points, offering value to your users and a direct income to you. Next, consider subscriptions. Are you offering content or services that users will want to access regularly? Lovable can facilitate recurring payments, creating a predictable and stable income stream for your app. Advertising is another robust path. Lovable's flexibility means you can integrate various ad formats, from banners to rewarded video ads, allowing users to opt in for benefits while you earn from impressions and clicks. For more complex applications and services, consider a software as a service or SaaS model. This involves offering your app's core functionality on a subscription basis, often with different feature sets for various pricing tiers. Lovable provides the tools to implement these models efficiently. Focus on delivering the exceptional user experiences that make your monetization strategies feel natural and valuable, not intrusive. By strategically applying these methods, you can leverage Lovable's capabilities to build not just apps, but truly profitable and sustainable app businesses. So, go ahead, create, monetize, and watch your app dream grow.